Hi there, Missy, missygoesboating.com. Today we are going to Mitlenatch Island. Evidently there is a plethora of birds and sea life, and our friend Bill said we'll absolutely love it. So off we go. Got my trusty camera. Let's go see what we can find. Mitlenatch Island sits quietly in the middle of the northern Strait of Georgia, about a 30-minute dinghy ride from Cortes Bay. On approach, it looks like a barren rock, but as you get closer, you realize there's a lot going on. The sea lions are prolific and don't smell so great. Mitlenatch Island is a designated nature provincial park and marine sanctuary, protected by BC Parks. Landing on Mitlenatch is part of the adventure. There's no dock. You must beach your dinghy at either Calm Bay on the island's south side or Northwest Bay on the north, and wear water walkers. There are oysters everywhere. A team of volunteers spends a week at a time as stewards for the island, camping in a rustic cabin. Because Mitlenatch is so ecologically sensitive, most of the island is off limits to visitors. However, there are well-maintained walking trails along the island's perimeter, allowing you to explore without disturbing the wildlife. All right, Dave, what do you think of this island?
Very unique. Very, very unique.
A highlight for many is the bird blind, a small shelter that lets you sit quietly observing nesting seabirds. Check out their website for information on volunteering or donating to ensure the island remains pristine for generations of boaters to come. See you on the water.